Okay, so now we're going to see how we can participate in a quiz. Now we have daily, weekly, and monthly quiz. Based on your enrollment, if you're a free student, you can only participate in the WhatsApp quiz. But if you've registered courses and you are learning EMS and all those subjects, you have access to the weekly, the monthly, and the daily quiz in the platform, which you can win prizes like recharge cards, cash prizes, and even in the monthly quiz, you can even win laptop or smartphones. Yes. So we also have practice quizzes that you can use and practice yourself, prepare yourself for the weekly or the monthly one. So in order to do it, you have to click on the search quiz and press enter. So the one that will be up with the practice quiz. So that one, there's no payment. If you win that one, if you score 100, there's no money attached. The money attached is the weekly one. It opens once in a week. Since you are a registered student, you have courses going on the weekly. As soon as it starts, you'll be automatically enrolled and you can participate in it. So this is the practice quiz. Just once you see apply, you just click on it for apply, you'll be approved. So once you have been approved, within minutes, it's 23 hours. So after 23 hours, it will expire. You have to click to renew. So just click on the continue course, and then I've already done it. Okay, I already done it. Okay. Click quiz. Let me see. Okay. Let's start. I've seen it. So just click on this is the weekly quiz. This one was started on 28th December. That's when it was updated for the questions. Just click on the start quiz. There's start quiz. As you're about to start the quiz, please click confirm to begin the quiz because it's 15 minutes. So once you click start, the time will start counting. You can go back. So confirm and start. So when we see a rainbow, the sky remains clear and the sun is at a lower position in the sky. So what's the answer? Is it true or false? Which is true, select true. Which is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Question statement. 125 gallons containing what you do your calculation and you type the answer. If the answer is 17, you type. You go on. What's the smallest 3-digit number? 100, 100. Average first picture of what is good. Then once you are finished with this page, you save its progress. Once it's saved, go to number 2, page 2. Which number gives you when added to its own square? Type. If you don't know, you leave it. Which element is liquid at ordinary temperature? Mercury. Assuming that you earn 300 for 50%, you do a calculation, you select the answer. Find the value of this. You type it. The answer. I said question. This expand this one. You use it. Survey question. You just drag and drop. Yeah. Read, review. So you arrange it. I don't know. So when you finish, you save progress. And you go to the next page 3. What can you catch but not true? This is a brain teaser question. Evaluate this. You calculate how many days are there in the fortnight. When the speed of car is doubled, then what should be the braking force of the car to stop? You type it. Then research have found that tobacco use can positively impact our physical and mental health. True or false? Go to number 4. as you save your progress and your time is already going. So when you finish, you click submit quiz and you confirm. Are you sure you want to submit the quiz? Submit the quiz will freeze all your answers. You cannot change them. Please confirm, you confirm. And that's it. You are done. When the time finishes, it will submit automatically. Then after it, you see, you check your results. Just you check results. Check results. That's it. That's obtained 0, the answer is true. It's wrong. Nitrogen with maths is correct. 17, the answer is 8.5. 1 or 3 wrong. 100 is correct. It's marked. So it will mark. You see the correct answers and you see the wrong answers. Mercury is there. So that's how it is. It's wrong. The survey question read recite. So that's how it is. You see all the questions, the answers you took, the correct answers, the wrong answer, and the total marks 3/29, which is you can try again. You can take it 4 times. You can take out 4 times. This is the previous results for quiz. If you have taken it before, you scored 3 out of 29, scored 17 out of 29. That's it. You can see your previous performances and see whether you are doing well or you are going back. So the questions should be reshuffled and added. New ones will be added every week. So you can be using it to practice this yourself. Okay, so that's how you can participate in the quiz. This one is practice quiz, so you can do it anywhere. But when it is the one with rewards, you have to take it very seriously. So if you have any questions, any problems, you can be free and contact her. You see the chat icon here. Just click on it. Anything you want to ask, you just type. Just type I. Then we don't require you ask you to drop your email and everything so that we can reply you later if you are not online. We require you to come straight to email. Or when you come back online with the same device and you click it, you see the replies. That's it. So a bonus thing I want to add, is how to ask a question. I've already showed you before. So if each course that you enroll into has its forum, each course has its forum. Understand? So once in the classroom, you see the forums. And open if mathematics, open the subject, you see the forum like the one we did in the previous tutorial. So you just click have questions, ask them in the forum unit. You just click on it to take you there. Then you ask all your questions. There, that's it. If, for example, please, we have forum here, you click on the forum. This is the case form. You're already in quiz, so we create a new topic, and the student in the case forum will know that there's a question here, and they can answer it. So the same thing applies to maths. The same thing applies to physics. If you're in physics, you click on forums to take you to the physics forum. Then you create a topic, then you type your question. You can write it on the paper, snap it, and upload it by clicking on the image. Yeah. That's it. So thank you. If you have any questions, just click here. That's it, and then you type your question and you send. We get back to you. Thank you.